You've hinted at doing some development on the back end of a website. What are the roles and responsibilities of a developer in that back end, in that extension bucket?
Yeah, so BigCommerce has an open or headless API that's available to you whether you're on a headless storefront or not. So if you're using Stencil, you can still tap into that API with external scripts. Or,
and Max, I'm gonna pause you here because I feel like some people might get confused by the word stencil. So if anybody's confused out there, stencil is essentially the term given to themes that are developed in the native, page builder and theme environment within BigCommerce. Max, other stuff to add to that?
Yeah, no, that's exactly right. And then just the opposite of that, or the other option that's available, is headless, which are themes that are built with the BigCommerce API, but a external front end. So that API that is used to build storefronts, there's also multiple APIs that allow you to access the back end of the site from other scripts or other servers that you may run, or serverless functions that are living in AWS, or maybe you have endpoints in your ERP. We can really access BigCommerce from any software system that allows us to make an API call. So when we talk about extensions, and even as we get into integrations, they kind of both fit together here. We're talking about accessing that BigCommerce API to create functionality that isn't necessarily natively supported with BigCommerce. So say you need a super specific order export functionality that it doesn't exist in BigCommerce. We can go into the orders API that BigCommerce provides for us, and we can create that export. Or I'm just trying to think of another example off the top of my head, and I don't have one, unfortunately, but we can create custom functionality with what BigCommerce makes available to us, which are these API endpoints. And we can kind of do a lot with that.